Hey guys, Mix here, and today we're going to be picking up my first ever two-stroke dirt bike. I am so excited. So guys, here it is, my new 1992 Suzuki RM125. Oh, it just ran for a second. As you guys can see, we have a hole right into the frame. Oh my god, that was a strong spark, but it worked. Kind of have a big problem, so that bolt right there keeps rounding out like crazy. Paint that's on this is a Harley Black Pearl powder coat. It's nice and reinforced now. This paint looks absolutely insane. I could win with it. Just got this bearing in. Here we go. We need to get this thing driving right. I'm proud to say that this thing, I believe, is fixed. Finally time. It is done. All this time, this is what we have been waiting for. The moment that it is all put together and finally done. I really like how it came out. I mean, sure, it's not spotless, like perfect. Obviously, you know, the engine covers are still a little messed up, but I wanted to kind of keep the vintageness, even if that's a word, of the bike. I didn't want to make it into like a museum piece because it's a dirt bike. It's gonna get banged up probably throughout time, you know, probably just do a couple more things with it, but it is done. It is ready to ride. I did do a couple things off camera. Obviously I put it, you know, the rest of it together, but you guys have been here for the entire journey with it, and most of you guys know what aftermarket stuff is on it, but I'll show you some of the stuff that I did yesterday. I hooked up the rear brakes. I ended up painting the rear brake, and I'm glad that I did that. It looks way better. I put on the new sprocket, the front and rear. Those look really, really good. I posted on the Snapchat of the back wheel off and people thought that something broke, but we were just making it better. All right, the sun's starting to come out now. Oh yeah. But I am going to be ripping this most likely in next video because I'm kind of fighting for time to get this video up today. So I won't be able to ride it today, but next video should be it. And this will be my first time on a 2-stroke. So that should definitely be interesting. And I did get new bolt kits and everything for the plastics. As you can see, we've got all new bolts under the fender. You know, just on the plastics everywhere. I'm just so happy how it came out. I mean, it just looks so much better than when I first got it. It doesn't even look like the same bike, to be honest. I'm really happy that, you know, I got the frame powder coated. It really matches the black. And now this thing's safe to drive because when I first got it, there was a hole in the frame under the seat. If you guys remember, it was all rusted out here. Now it just looks mint. So I hope you guys enjoyed that montage that I made from the beginning of this journey all the way to the end until now. More videos to come with the RM and, you know, tons of more future builds coming. This is probably the longest build ever done on YouTube. So we probably won't make it the next ones as long as this one was. So stay tuned for future builds. I already showed you guys the new Honda, which I have an absolutely insane idea for. So get ready for that. But the arm will not be disappearing. We're gonna be riding it. I'm probably gonna bring it to the track. So that should be really, really cool. I'm probably just gonna like loop out, do a backflip, break my neck, something like that. It would make for a good video. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you. I fabricated a little barrier from dirt from the tire being kicked up into the airbox, because when I bought this airbox, it didn't come with a back. So I just made one and it's actually pretty dang sturdy. But yep, that is the RM. But anyway guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Comment down below of what you guys think about the RM. I love it and I'm super duper excited to rip it. Thank you to all of you that, you know, stuck with me throughout this entire build, helped me out. As you guys know, this was my first 2-stroke and my first full engine rebuild from bottom end to top end. And I learned a whole lot from it. This thing was just like an emotional roller coaster from it works and then it broke and then just over and over again. But now we finally got it going. So shout out to all the supporters for keeping me going. And shout out to the few haters out there that were throughout this build for making me strive to prove them wrong and prove to them that this thing will be back together and running like it is right now. She's all good to go and ready to rip. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and tell your friends about the channel.